Do you know you can actually grow your USDC balance on ATM without doing any trading or complicated investing? In this video, I'll show you step by step how to use ATM Yield, a simple way to earn passive income directly from your ATM wallet. By the end of this video, you will know exactly how to activate it, track your earnings, and start growing your balance automatically. Let's dive right in. So first, what exactly is ATM Yield? It is basically a feature in ATM that lets you earn a return in your USDC balance. Think of it like saving your USDC, but instead of just sitting there, it grows automatically over time.
To access the yield feature, log into your ATM account. If you don't have an ATM account, the link to register is under this video's description. Or you can download the app from Play Store or App Store. Register and then sign in. When you sign in and you don't see the yield section, make sure that your account is verified. So all I have to do now is to log into my ATM account. So as you can see here, I'm on my ATM account and I've already signed in. So if you are new, this option here that says investing balance, this option here will show start earning yield. So you have to click on that, but mine, I already clicked on it. That's why it is showing this amount here, just showing an investing balance and 0.00. So all you have to do is to tap on the start earning. So once you click on that, the next page will show you your available balance, like your current balance as it's showing here. So there's nothing here I've not invested. So before you invest, you have to tap on this icon here, this information icon here. Just tap on it. So when you tap on it, you will now see the important notice. You have to go through it. Even before you start, they will still show you the risk and how it works. So all I have to do now is to tap on invest, and then I will type the amount that I want to invest. So the minimum amount you can invest is 5 USDC. Look at it here, 5 USDC. So now the maximum is the amount you have. So what I have in my account is this. So but in this video I'll be investing $10. So all I have to do is just enter 10 USDC here. This USDC is also USD, just that this here at the end. So just see it as USD. So I'll just tap on invest. So the transaction is now complete, and as you can see here, it said you invested 10 USD, network fee 0, total funds sent, and then this is the transaction ID. So all I have to do now is to tap on go to your account, and as you can see the amount that I have here. So I've invested $10, so which is showing 9.99. Let me go back and see, refresh my balance. So as you can see, the money has been deducted from my ATM balance. So now let me go back to the yield section or the yield dashboard. So ATM will show me my daily rate and total earnings so far, and I can also withdraw my money and stop the yield at any time. No lockup period, no hidden fees. It's that simple. So as you can see here, my money is not hidden. If I want to withdraw the money or withdraw and stop the yield, I'll just tap on this divest. Once I tap on it, I'll enter the amount here. As you can see the amount, and then I'll just tap on divest. So I'm not going to do that, but just to show you that even if you invest, you can as well take your money back at any time.
Before you go, I also made a video on how to withdraw from ATM to your Nigerian bank account or any of your local currency. Watch this video. I've explained every step by step to help you understand everything you need to know. Click on this video and I will see you in this video.